How to log into HSBC Credit Card account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a web browser on your device or PC and click search bar. Type hsbc.co.in or simply you can type in UK as well and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on your official interface of HSBC Credit Card account where first of all you have to manage these cookies. And then you will see login button at top right corner of your screen. Click login. Then you will land on the login page or dashboard of HSBC Credit Card account where you have to enter your username, and if you wish to remember you can check mark this remember me button. In case if you don't remember your username or have forgotten, you can click forgotten your username and then restore or regain your username here. If you haven't registered for online banking, you can easily create an account. And after that, you simply need to click on continue button and then enter the password in order to log into your HSBC credit card account. Also, you have to go to the following prompts given on your screen and then you will successfully log into your HSBC credit card account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.